Hey guys, I just wanted to say before this video starts that all this is recorded on my Twitch, which is called JimboV805. If you guys want to hop over and support me and join in on the streams every once in a while, you can hop over there anytime. We always have a really chill time, and especially this one, we had a very fun time. See you guys there. No, we're just...
Hello.
Hey yo.
Hello guys. How's your day?
It's really good. Thank you for asking.
Doing good. Yeah. Wait.
Alright. We're gonna pause the video here for context reasons. These last few days, throughout my Valorant sessions and throughout my Swift play sessions, I have had people say that I sound a lot like this guy. MoistCritikal, also known as Charlie, also known as Penguin0 on YouTube.
What the fuck?
I feel like I sound nothing like him at all when I speak. And people say it's when I speak with a lower tone and when I speak in a voice like this. So if I try speaking like this, many people will think that I sound exactly like him. Which is really weird, because I don't think so. Alright, back to the video.
Can you speak again? I don't... Okay, wait. Gecko. Your voice sounds like, how do you call him? Penguins. Do you know him?
Hey, wait.
The first game of my goddamn stream, and you say what everybody says. No. I'm not actually penguins. You do not know how many people have said that exact thing. It is my first game of my stream.
Hey, bro, can you please say it? Hey, MoistCritikal here.
Woo! Yes, baby! That's what I'm waiting for. That's what it's all about.
Holy shit, it's spot on, bro.
It's not spot on. You're lying, man. What is it with everybody thinking I sound like MoistCritikal? I don't like it.
Jimbo.
Yeah.
Or MoistCritikal, let me say.
Oh, okay.
Nah, he got the same mic and also.
I found out while editing this that our mic choices are actually very alike, as MoistCritikal uses a blue Yeti, and I use a blue Snowball. I cannot believe this, dude. That's the first thing you guys say.
I mean, good, it's spot on.
Hey.
Oh my god, let me around the corner, goddamn it.
Bro, you have a rat on your stream? I love it, man.
It's not a rat, but yeah, close enough. That ain't no rat, my guy. You genuinely also sound like you'd be a streamer. Just by voice alone, not gonna lie.
I mean, I am streaming right now, but...
You are? Genuinely?
Yeah.
Hey, no way.
The plug.
Dude, you should like trick people and make some shorts with that shit. Honestly.
I'll try it genuinely.
Yeah.
Cody Black Ops 2 Mike Show. Actually, dude, that was the stuff. You want me to entertain your stream?
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, a little bit of entertainment. Yeah.
Okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
That MoistCritikal is twerking for us, dude.
Oh my god, dude.
I see the clickbait. MoistCritikal twerk for me, you know?
Okay, dude.
Can you read me Moby Dick, please?
No!
I need a bedtime story, fam.
Out of anything you could choose. Oh no! Shit!
I got the one knife.
You got the one knife, yeah. Squiggle actually carrying the game so far.
Yeah, dude. I like. Who else can knife like that, bro?
I mean, if it's golf, you know, then maybe.
Nobody else can knife like him, dude. Like, imagine.
Hey, you got it? Come on, my bro.
No!
Oh.
God damn it, dude. I wasn't even focusing. Fuck. No ace. God damn it. GG's, man.
Hey, nice one. Alright, GG, guys.
GG's was fun, guys.
I don't want to end this. MoistCritikal, I beg you. Fam, I don't want this to end.
You flatter me, bro. You flatter me. Thank you so much.
Have a good...
I need some help on him.
I'm coming.
Thank you. Means a lot.
I suck. I'm not gonna help you.
You don't suck. It was a valiant attempt. Okay. NC.
That's my bad.
All you guys are saying that it's your bad. It's none of your guys' bad. It was a good attempt.
I mean, yeah, but it's just like a default to say thank you there.
You know what?
What's up?
Can I give you a hug? You seem like you'd want to have a hug.
Yeah, because sometimes.
Can you come over here and give me it on 8? Because they're coming in very fast right now.
I'm coming.
Help!
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Gotcha.
Man, I'm dead.
So,
Whoop, whoop.
about that hug.
Yeah, about that hug, yeah, right. Big hug, thank you.
Thank you.
No problem, man, anytime.
Wait, now you want the hug?
Yeah.
Everybody group hug, come on. Group hug!
Ah,
Oh.
never mind.
He's being a bitch to me all the
Not
time.
group
Don't
hug.
worry.
I'm not being a bitch. What?
Oh, okay, yeah,
I
then
don't
fuck
believe.
you.
I was a bitch once! I swear I'm a nice guy, please.
I'm gonna choose to believe you.
Oh, you don't.
Oh, they're in fucking whatever that place is called. The land down under. You guys got this.
Last player standing.
90, I'm sorry.
What is it with every Valorant player and saying sorry? I don't get it. What the f- Thank you so much, Raids.
Life.
You're welcome.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to One Tap City, where today we're gonna be one-tapping mid.
Are you okay?
Nope.
You sound like MoistCritikal.
Oh,
I'm sorry.
You broke him again.
Don't tell me this. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
you do not know the amount of people who said that today! Every game! Every game!